Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here, and once again we have a mail call. This is a pretty big package. There's a chair, and there's the package. This is from my buddy jracat, and as you can see, it's pretty thin, but it's big. So he had promised to make me something, and I guess this is it. So let me get this thing on the tripod, and we'll get right back at you and see if we can get this booger opened up. So we'll be back at you in just a sec. Okay, I'm going to do my best to try to get this thing opened up on camera, but it's hard. A package that size is kind of tough to do that with. So this might be the easiest thing to do. Just fish it out like this. Probably not even on the screen, but let's see. Let's see if I can. Oh man, that's pretty heavy. Let's see. Okay, so we got that part. And here's our note. We have to take this away. This says personal, so we're going to move that over here. And then we are going to see what our little note says. He actually works with metal. It says, "Hello Dino, here is the grill that I told you about. It is made of T316L stainless steel. The good poodoo. Give a man a grill, he will always eat good and have lots of friends. The gloves are for holding the grill if you don't have any. Alright, call me. Thanks again, jracat." So I'm presuming that it is probably sharp. So I will put the gloves on. Wow, those are nice. Wow, those are really nice. Well, let me cut it open first, and then I'll put them on. Okay. Now we'll put these gloves on. He had told me a while back he was going to make this for me, and what it is he does expanded metal, and this is, I'm presuming, an expanded metal grill top, but it's stainless steel, not just plain old metal. So, oh yeah, oh, that's going to work good, George. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now my grill is actually out back in my little home camp. I haven't brought it up here. I probably should have brought it up here to put this on, and I know it's going to fit because I know I sent him the right measurements and it actually looks perfect. My friend, I thank you very much for that. That is awesome. It does away with those crappy little things that are on most grills, those little, you know, those little things that aren't that strong. That's going to work really great. jracat, I really appreciate that, my friend. That's going to probably get some ribs cooked on it as soon as I can get outside and do something. I mean, it's been raining here almost every day, rain, rain, rain. And then when it ain't raining, it's so cold you don't want to go outside. But my friend, that is going to get put to some good use. I really do appreciate it. I will put as normal, I'll put a link to the channel and a card in here if you want to go over and check him out or drop him a sub. And we will see you guys in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.